Everyone, today we are going to make the project control motor with push button. So let us see the components. We need a breadboard, battery snapper, battery, push button, motor and a fan. First of all, we will place the push button on the breadboard. Always place the push button at the middle of the breadboard so that the pins doesn't get shorted. After connecting the push button, now place the motor on the board. Now take a connecting wire or a hookup wire and connect one terminal of the push button with one terminal of the motor. Now take the battery snapper. Connect the negative wire to the other terminal of the motor and the positive wire on the diagonally opposite pin of the push button. Now we will connect the fan to the motor . And now we will connect the battery . Now as soon as I will press the button, the motors start moving, and as soon as I release my finger, the motor stops. Thank you.